what can you do to, you're suffering from pain, and that's the big thing, is people are just like, I've got all this pain, I need to do something, but I don't want to do the knee replacement yet because it just doesn't make sense based on my age or where I'm at, or I'd like to delay it. What can I do in that? And when we had Dr. Gordon and Dr. Bergav on, they went through a lot of the research where they looked at what can be done in those things. And one of the things that they brought up that had really, really good outcomes was the PRP injections, which is the platelet-rich plasma injections, which is essentially the nice thing about this. This isn't some type of an endogenous substance where it's something
pharmaceutical.
And not that those things are bad, but a PRP injection is you're taking your blood, so that the doctor or the nurse is taking your blood, putting it through a centrifuge, separating the areas of the blood and extracting the area that's rich with the platelets. The platelets are what essentially cause clotting in the body, which helps that from an anti-inflammatory perspective. So in osteoarthritis, the mild to moderate, a lot of the times the pain is caused due to the inflammation that's going on. So the question becomes, how can we reduce that inflammation in order to minimize the person's pain levels? The beauty about this is with the PRP injection, you're taking those platelets, you're injecting it back into the knee, and over 3 to 12 months, based on what the research shows, people start to feel better, and you're able to decrease. The reason why it's effective is because it actually decreases the inflammation within the knee, and in so doing, that equals less pain that the person experiences. And based on the research that we saw, we were able to see that those improvements happen all the way from, you have to wait at least 3 months to start noticing significant improvements, but then the participants in a lot of the studies continue to have improvements up until 12 months. So imagine that you already delayed your potential knee replacement by already a year, and based on what was presented to us,
wow,
there was
okay,
really nothing else that did
you
that.
too, huh?
In fact, Dr. Gordon said that a lot of the hyaluronic acid and cortisone injections, based on the research that he reviewed, is almost useless.
Almost placebo.
It's almost placebo, almost as good as the placebo, and it doesn't do very much. And again, going back to evidence-based medicine.
Well, that's because you haven't learned how to cut your eye just yet and give people such a big look.
Okay, well, apparently.
More harmful than verbal skills. Yes, it's a skill. It is a skill. You know who's learned that skill really well?
Muffins.
The Muffin Bum. The Muffin Bum has learned that skill really well, to the point where I had to beat him on Wednesday.
Oh, yes! Love it. I love it.
I belt and all, and then I hung the belt up on the door.
Me and my partner in my Impala, popping on collars, tossing up dollars, a trunk on the side of a buddy that wanna follow. Bet $100 that they all wanna swallow. Doggy dog, vodka. I do what you get real hard, then it gets hard. It's not a bang on mine, I bang on mine. I smoke an ounce and bounce at the same time. It's like the limbo with Timbo, you motherfucking bimbo. So quit knocking at my window, you nympho. Maniac, bring it back, now shake it up. Put it on the table, now break it up. Get to me, and put a lighter on the end of it. It really don't matter what you spent on it, as long as you're getting what you paid for. That's what it's made for. Is that what you stay for? Yeah, dipping in the Cadillac. Smoke to your eyes, get cataracts.
Ooh, that was close. So close, dude. You weren't paying attention.
You play me and I play you. You hate me and I hate you. Come on, bro. You got to say all right. This ain't your thing. This my song. Move on. We in the club like a shark ball. That ain't my keys and park my car. No snapshots cause I might get popped as I slide by security giving props. First thing I do when I get it, let me take you back to when I first slid it. Grab my jitty, get my pity, put my bid in. No bullshitting, we'll be.
Yeah. Saroro, you know what it is, right? Pull Ricky Wayne the mixtape. You feel me? Yeah. First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche. I don't wanna hit that ass, don't see like a horse. I be ballin' on these niggas, got real life sports. Yeah, it's got so much wood, I could build me a fort. Hang too many things, I ain't done yet. I can finger this shit around by the toilet. I'm just ready to get started, you already upset. Got a tiger as a pet, I just took him to the venom. Homie, I be making